layer cakes are a wonderful way of getting a wide range of different fabrics in pre-cut in 10-inch squares. And this set in front of me arrived the other day from Macau. It's an Andover set of prints called Sun Prints. And I just thought, what can I do with that? And here's a really quick idea I wanted to share with you, because I just simply wanted to use them. So I just keep going down until I come to a set that I think that'll do. I'm going to pop that over here, this one on here, this one on here. This is my audition pile, and these on here. I know these are longer, don't worry about it yet. Vertically and one horizontally, one vertically and one horizontally, so on and so forth.